Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI. These little things have solved a major problem for me. These are the cord organizer holder by smofish. And I hate when you're trying to look for a cord and you can't find it. So these help to keep your cords exactly where you can find them. They have a really nice adhesive on the back. This isn't cheap. This is a really quality adhesive, and you just stick these anywhere. I'm using this for my nightstand, and I'm going to put my phone cord for these. This is a bit of a real problem, so I'm so happy to have these. And it's really simple to just open, and then they close magnetically. These come in a variety of colors as well. I chose the white for it will match my nightstand and just really blend in. I love how these are just ready to go whenever I need them and I don't have to search for them any longer. These also worked really well for my husband's laptop cable. It would always fall on the floor, and so finally this little thing just solves so many problems. Now it's easy access and ready to go whenever he needs it. I've been super impressed by these cord holders by smofish. I highly recommend, and they will save you a lot of frustration looking for your cords. And that's my point of view.